Here at Zonit, we're creating AI server power solutions for mission-critical data center environments. Zonit solutions are deployed inside the data centers of over 80% of the Fortune 100 to distribute power, provide power redundancy, and ensure power path security. Anyone that has read a data center article or attended a data center conference in the last year can tell you that we are standing at a transformative crossroads in the industry, which is being driven by the implementation of AI. The AI server market is expected to grow from $40 billion in 2024 to a whopping $430 billion in the next 10 years, expanding at a compound annual growth rate of 30.3% over that time frame. The race to deploy AI workloads has created a landscape where users are often compelled to adopt a ready, shoot, aim methodology. And the two big questions that this growth has everyone pondering are: how do we power it and how do we cool it? Zonit has solutions that speak to both questions, but today we'll be focusing on how to resolve the specific challenges of powering AI servers that have asymmetric N+1 and N+2 power supply redundancy schemes. This is the Dell PowerEdge XE9680 AI server. These list for over $1 million a piece, and they have 6 power supplies. They have an N+1 power supply redundancy scheme, which means that they have one more power supply than they need, but still require 5 of those power supplies remain operational in order to perform at full efficiency. If deployed in a 2N capacity, like one would in a data center, where 3 of the power supplies are fed by one power feed and 3 of the power supplies are fed by an alternate power feed, this unit will self-protect, throttling GPU clocks to 1/4, which can reduce the overall performance by up to 80%. What does this mean? This means that despite having an F1 race car of an AI server, in certain situations, users may have to drive the track with it stuck in 3rd gear. For that reason, those deploying AI servers are using Zonit's ZATS AI ATS to provide power redundancy to their AI servers' power supplies, rather than relying on power supplies to provide redundancy to their servers. And we can equip the ZATS AI with any of the connectors commonly used to feed these servers. And it's not just the Dell XE9680 that's affected by this issue. Through research, we've found that most top-tier AI servers are also impacted by asymmetric PSU redundancy schemes. The ZATS AI provides a cut-and-paste power redundancy solution that can solve this challenge. By pairing one ZATS AI with each of their AI servers' power supplies, users can ensure that their AI loads will survive power disruptions and maintenance events without any decline in performance. To make things even easier for our users, Zonit's developed the AI Power Shelf, cheekily termed the TRATS internally here at Zonit, to provide a 1U rack mounting solution with cable management for up to 10 ZATS AI units, which allows for easy deployment into AI cabinets. This ultra-reliable, high-capacity ATS assembly creates a 1-to-1 solution ratio that maximizes availability and minimizes the potential to risk from cascading failure that other multi-port ATS offerings may create. With a 3-year extendable warranty, it provides users with cost-effective peace of mind, as well as long-term ROI that has no equal in the marketplace.